In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an autoresponder in Getresponse. The process is pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. So there's two ways of how you can get to the autoresponder option. You can see here on the left hand side it says create autoresponder there at the bottom. You can click on that. Alternatively, you can come to the top left where it says tools, and then you could click on autoresponders at the top. So I would just select autoresponders from there, and then that'll just load up. Okay, so once you're on the manage autoresponder screen, what you want to do is you want to select the list for your autoresponder. So come here to it says all lists with the drop down, click on that, and for example, you could select this list right here. If you click apply, it will then change to that list. Then to create the autoresponder, click on create autoresponder at the right hand side. Then you would just give your autoresponder a title. So I'll just write test autoresponder. You would select which day you want it to go out on. So on day 0, same time as sign up time, that's fine. You would select your from email address, give your autoresponder a subject. So I'll just call it test autoresponder again, and then you would come here and then click on design message. Now you can choose any one of these templates, but typically what I do is I go to blank templates and then select a blank template, typically this one right over here. So I'll select this blank template, I'll click on use template, and then that will just load up. Okay, once you're in the editor, you can write your email. So you'll just come here and go back to layout, drag some text into the body there, and then you could start typing your email, type it here however you'd want it, include your links, everything like that. When everything is looking good to you, come to the top right hand corner. You can either send a test email to yourself first to check if everything's good. When you're happy with it, click on next at the top right, and then you want to make sure that everything looks good here like we just spoke about. Then simply click save and publish at the bottom right hand corner, and now it says your autoresponder is published, and I don't want to send this right now, so that's just a test. So then you would just rinse and repeat that for the next one and then the next one, and that's the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.